Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I created this look and I decided to make a tutorial on it. I really love this look. I think this is my new favorite. So I hope you guys like it as much as I do. This is a different look. I've never done something like this. I had fun with this look, so I hope you guys enjoy this video. And if you guys want to learn how I did this look, please keep watching. I already primed my eyes, so I am going to take this MAC single eyeshadow in the shade Louder Please. I am going to take that in my crease and start blending it out. This will be my transition shade. Now I am going to take a different brush and I am going to take a little bit more than I would, and I am going to start creating that winged eyeshadow. So as you can see, I am creating where I'm going to cut my crease. I'm going to take some more and do the same. So now I am going to blend it out with the brush I used before. This eye is kind of worn out already. It was very pigmented at first, but I was going to film the other eye in a little bit, but I got lazy and I didn't film. So now it's like 9 and I'm filming. I'm glad I have my ring light because I could film at any time. So that is why this eye is looking a little bit dull. Eyelash is starting to lift, but that's okay because I've been wearing this for like 5 hours. I had just done one eye from my Instagram. If you guys don't follow me on there, you should go follow me at Girly Natalie. I am going to take the Modern Renaissance palette and I'm going to be taking Love Letter. With a pencil brush, I am going to do the same thing, like, except I'm not going to blend it out all the way to the top. I am just going to start creating the winged eyeshadow, and I'm going to blend it, but not to the brow bone. This is just to deepen up the crease. I'm using the Morphe brush that I used after the transition shade brush, and I'm going to blend it a little bit upwards, but not all the way to the brow bone. I know it's like at the brow bone, but just, you know what I mean. I did not feel like doing a voiceover because I still have a video that I need to post, but I haven't edited the voiceover, so probably edit it tomorrow because I'm already tired. But yeah, I haven't filmed a not voiceover in like ever. The last time I did this was my first makeup tutorial. So I'm just blending this out. So now I'm taking the transition shade brush and I'm just blending it all. together, and I'm going to go back in with the transition shade, and I'm going to apply some more of that. Go back in with Love Letter and do this one more time. Now I am blending it with the Morphe brush in circular motions, but in the crease that I have right here. I'm getting to the hard part, which is cutting the crease. Taking some concealer, and I'm going to mark the highest point of where I want my crease, and I'm going to try to make it as even as possible. Okay, there we go. Tempera from the Modern Renaissance palette. And the reason why I'm not setting it all is because I really want the shade for the eyeliner to stick on and to be very pigmented. So I'm just going to set the top part, that way they do not crease. I am going to be taking this shade, Morphe 35O2 palette, called Zippy. I really want this color to show up, so I'm going to be wetting the brush with some setting spray. Now I am going to just pat it onto my lid. I am going to take the tip of it and I'm going to go into the shade, and then I am going to create a wing. Heavy Metal Urban Decay glitter liner, and I am going to put the glitter on the crease, or where I cut the crease. And you want to be careful with this because if you mess up the glitter, like, it looks kind of weird when the glitter is like over here or over here, so be careful. I did put it on top of the copper because, I don't know, I feel like it was missing something, but it went away on this one. But I'm still gonna put it in. I will be back with the finished look. So this is the final look. They are not the same, I know. And my lash is coming off, I know. That's okay. Put burnt orange and love letter on my under eye. And then I put some mascara. Then I put on my lashes. That is today's look. You guys are probably wondering like, why am I wearing a bandana? And it's because I'm wearing a wig and the wig makes my forehead look weird. It's pink and my eyeshadow is pink. My shirt is pink. So it's all pink. So yeah guys, that is it for today's video. Please go follow me on my social medias. They will be linked down below. And like, comment, and please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. And go check out my other videos. I have a lot of makeup tutorials up, so you guys should definitely go watch them. And so yeah, that is it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.